Welcome to my new video. Today, I'll show you how to turn on media upload quality on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile by tapping the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner and go to Settings. In Settings, scroll down and tap on Account, then select Data Usage. Here, you'll find the option to enable high-quality media upload. Turn on this option to upload photos and videos in better quality. Once enabled, Instagram will upload your media in higher resolution, but keep in mind that it may use more data. And that's it. You've successfully turned on high-quality media upload on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video.